am Nisha Siripurapu, and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. In this channel I talk a lot about diabetes, I give you a lot of information regarding this disease, and of course I share many diabetic friendly recipes. Coming to diabetes, the exact cause of this disease is not yet known, but there are many factors that can cause this disease, and one of such factors is stress. Now stress can be physical stress, chemical stress or mental stress. Next time when you're exercising, please observe if that exercising is making you feel fresh or it is making you feel tired. If you experience any kind of tiredness, that means your body is in physical stress. You're over exercising and you should put an end to it. Now coming to mental stress, well, mental stress is a byproduct of today's modern lifestyle and we all experience it. But we should not ignore it and we should address it ASAP. And one of the best way of dealing with it is meditation. Meditation should be an indispensable part of our everyday life. Now coming to the last stress, chemical stress, it is caused by our eating habits. If we are in a habit of eating too much of junk, then we are definitely not doing good to our body. So stress is the major cause of all the diseases including diabetes, and we should address it very immediately. So on that note, I'll be sharing my today's recipe. Well, it is not a recipe, but in this video I'll teach you how to make sprouts without using cloth. And by this method, you will be making sprouts in just few hours. So before getting started, I request you all, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe by clicking on my picture above. I assure you, you will definitely not be disappointed. So let's get started. Thank you so very much. So in 2 simple steps, our sprout is ready. Now what you can do is you can just fill this in an airtight container and you can refrigerate it. It will be very fresh at least for 2 weeks. Now this sprouts you can use in whichever way you want. You can make curry out of it or you can use it in salad. So please keep watching Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe by clicking on my picture above. I'll see you again next week with one more interesting recipe. Till then, keep smiling, stay blessed. Thank you so very much.